flying, I'm crying.
Whoa, check out the size of that monster truck.
Shoot, that boy's nothing. I used to wrestle trucks bigger than that.
What?
Yep, I used to be a monster truck wrestler.
Ladies and gentle cars, introducing the Tormentor!
Excuse me, it's Tomater.
Who wants some ice cream? The Ice Creamer! I'm gonna make you scream! Where did he go?
Excuse me, mister. Can I have one double dipstick sundae, please?
Huh? Oh, sure. That's a very popular flavor. Huh? Whoa!
1, 2, 3, a winner!
Now that's a Sunday! Drop and give me 20.
I'll give you 3. 1, 2, 3, a winner!
The Rastafarian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock. Me be jamming now, man.
1, 2, 3, a winner! Who'll be jamming now?
You be jamming now?
Ooh, Dr. Feelbad.
Your next stop is the hospital. Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Oh, that's gotta hurt.
Just wait till he gets the bill.
1, 2, 3.
Patio Concrete's gonna lay some cement. Here comes a nice fresh corn.
Pour it on.
Oh, he got names.
Now that's what I call a patio, Daddy-O.
1, 2, 3.
You rock, man! Woohoo! And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. The buck-toothed wonder of the world, the wrestler of disaster, the Tormentor! And a Tormentor! And the world champion, Dr. Frankenwagon!
Piece of cake.
And his monster! It's alive!
I'm dead.
Whoa, what did you do?
Don't you remember nothing? We was a tag team. Tag, you're in.
What? Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Yes, ladies, they all real. You want to kick them?
Quick, tag me!
Hey! Gotcha! Watch this.
1, 2, 3, the winners! A Tormentor! And what's your name, son?
Lightning McQueen.
And Frightening McMean!
Frightening McMean. Oh, please.
I can't believe it! The Tormentor! I'm your biggest fan, man! Can I get your autograph?
Well, of course you can.
Oh, I will never wash this door again!
Wait, don't you want Frightening McMean's autograph?
No, thanks!
Seriously.
Okay, really?
I'll do it real quick.
You're making me uncomfortable!
Tag, you're in.
Tag, you're in.
Tag,
Tag,
tag, tag.
tag, you're in. Tag.